Okay, interwebs, YouTube, and whatnot. I'll make a quick video. This is a real quick video. Not gonna take too long. We'll show my face though. What up? Anyway, quick video. This is for the 240 people that have older 240s. This might be a thing that you just definitely have to do. I've been fighting it the whole time, but you definitely might have to do this. So this is you take a step drill. This is just a cheap Harbor Freight step drill tip, you know, and you might have to drill a hole, get one of these. This is GM, like from the 70s all the way to like 95. Let me see if I can get a good view of it. Zoom, focus. No. Anyway, you might can tell from there, but anyway, look at the prongs. Man, I'll get it where it will focus, I guess. Here we go. So, yeah, it's about $3. Positive, negative. I don't know why they chose black and brown as the color, but positive, negative. And this is easier than the push and twist end. This is for a turn signal. This is some stock GM stuff. I got this at AutoZone, but it costs $3. And you can see what I've done to my wires. Look at these wires. So the wires are cruddy. You know about the 84 wiring harness. It is not good. And this, this part of your car takes a lot of weather. It's hot. The heat fluctuation because of the radiator and stuff gets cold and wet. So these little things at AutoZone. Actually, hold on a second. I'm gonna go in the house and see if I can find it. But there you go. This is what this is. 1995, 72, GM, license side marker socket. Okay? So all you gotta do is drill with a step drill. Technically, it's easier bulb. I kind of want to do all four, but I'm going to just do the two that are giving me trouble and leave the other two alone until I have to cross that path. But it costs $3, and it's made, and it's flexible. Let me drop that. It's flexible. So you drill a hole, and you shove these little prongs into it. You shove it in like this. You shove it, and it's in there. You put your bulb in. And the bulbs for these kind aren't real expensive, and they're not real hard to put in and out. You just push it in, you pull it out. Real simple. Real simple fix for an old school 240 problem. So, enjoy your day. Click that like and subscribe button. I'm out.